Hello everyone and welcome back to Hail Highway. So, let's get started. Today we're going to explore the incredible benefits of dry fasting. It's a powerful method for boosting immunity, reducing inflammation, and addressing the root causes of diseases like cancer, cardiovascular problems, diabetes, and even aiding in weight loss. I want to introduce you to a unique form of fasting that has existed for centuries. Let's start by looking at the animal kingdom. When animals are sick or wounded, they instinctively find a quiet, secluded place to heal without eating or drinking. This natural intelligence is also present in our bodies. However, in our modern world, we often think we need to eat more when we're sick, and we tend to force-feed our children too. So, how does dry fasting work? Unlike water fasting, where you abstain from food but still drink water, dry fasting involves no food and no water. During water fasting, toxins are flushed out through your urine, liver, kidneys, bowels, and colon with the help of water. Although not all toxins are removed, water fasting for an extended period makes you feel lighter and more energetic. Dry fasting, on the other hand, triggers a remarkable process in the human body. Without water intake, your cells become incinerators, burning up toxins. This intense detoxification happens because there's no water to assist the process, pushing your cells to eliminate toxins more efficiently. There are two types of dry fasting: soft dry fasting and hard dry fasting. In soft dry fasting, you can still take a bath and brush your teeth, but you consume no food or water. In hard dry fasting, you avoid even skin contact with water, as your skin can absorb moisture. This is more extreme, so we'll start with soft dry fasting, which is easier to manage. Our bodies have the ability to self-generate and rejuvenate cells through stem cells. During dry fasting, the toxins in your cells are incinerated, which kills dead cells and creates spaces for new stem cells. This regeneration process leads to the production of new, healthy cells, promoting overall health. To begin a dry fast, plan your meal times strategically. For example, if you finish dinner at 7 p.m., try to avoid eating or drinking anything for the next 16 hours. This is similar to intermittent fasting, but without water. When I tried dry fasting, I felt full of energy and experienced no cravings for food or water even after 16, 24, and even 36 hours. I continued my workouts, consulted with patients, and traveled without any issues. The results were incredible. Dry fasting is an inexpensive and accessible method to improve your health. The only thing that might hold you back is fear. The worst that can happen is you break the fast if you find it too challenging. So, let go of your fears and give it a try. Start today and experience the benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hail Highway for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please, also check our channel. We have a lot of content on the channel.